What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the fingerprint scanner issues in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all make sure the fingerprint scanner and your finger is clean. And after cleaning the fingerprint scanner, if you are still facing the issue while using fingerprint, then you can register your fingerprint again. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on biometrics and then click on fingerprints. Now here enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern and then tap on add fingerprint. Now tap on register. Now scan your finger again to register. And after registering, the fingerprint will start working properly. But after registering your fingerprint again, if you are still facing the issue, then you can try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon. Now here click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix your fingerprint scanner issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.